guys, I wanted to share a flip through of the digital prayer journal that I've created. So I love this digital prayer journal because if you're like me, I love to journal, and it's so simple when we're doing it on the iPad, and you can just quickly erase, and if you make a mistake, and you don't have to kind of scratch off some of your writing. So I love using these digital planners, especially when doing a prayer journal. So I wanted to go ahead and quickly do a flip through. So this is the first page that you come to, like the cover of your journal. It's "Be still and know that I am God." It's one of my favorite verses, especially with the busyness that life brings. It's just a great verse to kind of connect us with what's really important. So then if you flip right, it's just a little information about how to use this planner, and then you will also have a link to watch a kind of welcome tutorial that takes you through even more goodies. So here you have "This journal belongs to," and then you can put your name, and then a little Bible verse down here. You have a spot for your favorite verses. So I love to kind of keep track of some of the verses that are on that I really feel kind of on my heart lately, and kind of just keep them in one spot. So you can do that here, and over here there are tabs where you can kind of get these as well very quickly. But so you have access to these favorite verses. If you swipe right again, you have a whole sticker, a whole sheet of stickers where you can kind of have all of your dates here, so that you can kind of quickly add those into the daily plan, which I'll share with you here in a second. But again, that tab is over here, so you can just click on that whenever you want. And then also a place to just kind of keep track of all of the answered prayers, right? Like, it's so important to keep track of our answered prayers along with what we're praying for. And then if you swipe right again, you have a list of all these diffuser blends that you can use as well. So there are 2 blank pages in here. So over here on your blank tabs, where you can write or do or use this however you want. And then if you swipe right again, you get into January. So this is kind of where you start your prayer journal. So over here in the beginning of the journal, you have all of these tabs that will take you to the different places. And the reason for this diffuser blends tabs is, you'll see in a second, but every month has a different verse. So February has a different verse, March, April, and going on to May. So I'm gonna switch to January here just to show you some more. But then after each month, you swipe right again, and you have your daily prayer journal, and you have a place for your date, which is where you can put your stickers. You have your diffuser blend that you want to use. Again, you have a whole list of great ones to use right here. You have verse of the day. So if there's like a verse that's on your heart for the day, or that you read in your devotional, and then a place, it says "on my heart." So your thoughts or reflections of that verse, or just really in life in general, is you can put that there. And then over here you have a gratitude kind of place to put what you're thankful for. I love doing this each day because it just keeps me connected to the important things in life and everything that God has given us. A place for specific prayer requests for that day, or just kind of some prayers that have been on your heart, you can put there. And then a place to give it to God. So what are the things that you feel like you need to kind of let go and let God, and that's a great place to kind of write those down as well. So this is kind of it in a nutshell. You have your clickable tabs over here that take you to those places. So as prayers are answered, you can quickly tap that and see your answered prayers. You can go back to your journal, and the thing about this is you can add as many pages as you want. So I've included 7 pages at the kind of behind each month, which are all clickable here for your daily spread. The nice thing about using this digital prayer journal is that you can add and subtract however many pages that you want. So if you want a page for each day of the month. You can just add those pages in. It will be in the welcome tutorial video how to do that. Or if you just want to erase each week and kind of reuse those same 7 pages, you can do that as well. So it's completely how you want to use the planner, which is what I love about these planners. So if you have any questions on what I'm using in this video or what I use every day to use my digital prayer journal or do my digital planning, I have a link below for my digital planning FAQs page that goes into a lot more detail on the tools that I like to use and just kind of where to get those things. So make sure you check those out. And then there's also a link to this digital prayer journal below. Make sure you grab it. If you have any questions, let me know. I love using this each morning. It's a great way to kind of use a prayer journal without all of the mess. And then the nice thing about this too is that you can reuse it year after year. So you really only buy it once and then you can reuse. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I hope you have a great day and that this digital prayer journal blesses you as much as it's blessed me. So hope you have a great day.